Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix laptop Wi-Fi icon not showing Windows 11. Chapter 1. How to fix laptop Wi-Fi icon not showing Windows 11 from services. Let's open services from the search box. There, select and double-click on the service called WLAN AutoConfig. Confirm that in the field Start Type, the automatic option is there. You can close the window. Chapter 2. How to fix laptop Wi-Fi icon not showing Windows 11 updating driver. Let's right-click on Start to open the device manager. Here, display the network adapters option. You will right-click on the Wi-Fi driver and then select Update Driver. Click on Browse My Computer for drivers. After this, click on the option, Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. You will select the Wi-Fi driver and click on Next. Wait for it to be installed on the system. Chapter 3. How to fix laptop Wi-Fi icon not showing Windows 11 reinstalling driver. Open the device manager by right-clicking on Start and choosing this option. From Network Adapters, right-click on the Wi-Fi driver and then click on Uninstall Device. Confirm this action. Wait for it to be uninstalled. Now from the Action menu, click on Scan for hardware changes. You can see the Wi-Fi driver again. Chapter 4. How to fix laptop Wi-Fi icon not showing Windows 11 managing power. Right-click on Start and then open the device manager. From the Network Adapters section, double-click on the Wi-Fi driver. There, we will go to the Power Management tab. Uncheck the box, allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Apply the changes. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.